Let's embark on a journey to create your very first MongoDB database. This presentation will guide you through the fundamentals of MongoDB database and collection creation using hands-on shell commands. We will be creating a database and a collection using the MongoDB Shell. MongoDB Shell is an interactive JavaScript interface to MongoDB. It is a powerful command line tool that allows you to perform various database operations. With the shell, you can execute queries, updates, and administrative commands directly against your MongoDB database. Before we begin, there are a couple of prerequisites that you'll need to have in place. First, ensure that you have MongoDB installed and the MongoDB server is running on your system. Second, you'll need access to a terminal or command line interface to interact with the MongoDB shell. To start the MongoDB shell, open your terminal or command prompt and simply type mongosh and press enter. This command will connect you to your MongoDB instance. By default, it will connect to the local host on port 27017. Once connected, you'll be ready to start creating databases and collections. To create a database in MongoDB, use the command use followed by the desired database name. For example, to create a database named MyFirstDatabase, type use MyFirstDatabase in the MongoDB shell and press enter. If the database doesn't exist, MongoDB will create it for you. If it already exists, MongoDB will switch to the particular database. After creating a database, you can verify that it has been created by using the db command. Simply type db in the MongoDB shell and press enter. This will display the name of the current database you are using. In this case, it should display MyFirstDatabase. Now that we have a database, let's create a collection within it. A collection is a grouping of MongoDB documents. To create a collection, use the command db.createCollection, followed by the desired collection name in parentheses. For example, to create a collection named users, type db.createCollection, users, in the MongoDB shell and press enter. This will create a new collection named users within the currently selected database. Let's add some data to our newly created collection. A document in MongoDB is equivalent to a row in a table in a relational database. To insert a document into the users collection, use the command db.users.insertOne. Inside the parentheses, provide a JSON object representing the document you want to insert. For example, we can insert a document with the field's name set to John Doe and email set to john@example.com. To verify that the collection has been created and the data has been inserted, you can use the show collections and dbusers.find commands. Typing show collections will list all the collections in the current database, and you should see the users collection in the list. Typing db.users.find will display all the documents within the users collection, and you should see the document you just inserted. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.